Welcome. Now, master question 4. Today's class will be a very short class because master question 3, everything explained. So I don't want to waste time. I will make as short as possible. Short class, but powerful class. Remember, start. Question, master question 4, dictated. Or I will give in words if you want. A cantilever beam is of length 4 meter, is subjected to first of all, a cantilever beam of length 4 meter is fixed at its right end. Okay, then it is subjected to an UDL of 8 kilonewton per meter over entire length and also a clockwise couple M at the free end. Okay, now find the support reaction for following 3 cases. Right here. Case A. You write there in the question. Case A, M equal to 20 kilonewton meter. Case B, M equal to 64 kilonewton meter. Case C, M equal to 80 kilonewton meter. Okay. Therefore, write the question, master question 4, A, B, C. 3 questions are there. As you should remember, right side fixed end, 3 reactions possible, HB, VB, reacting moment MB, sigma H0 will give HB0. So forget about horizontal reaction. Our important is vertical reaction and reacting moment. Okay. For all 3 questions, 4A, 4B and 4C, you can see it is previous class writing only. Just now I recorded. I decided to record this also simultaneously, but uploading after the next previous class. For you see, let VB be vertical reaction and MB be reacting moment at a fixed support B. Now supported B. Okay. Remember, still this is traditional solution. Still direction not given. Okay, start. Solution for question 4A. That is when M equal to 20 kilonewton meter. Okay. Now load is down, so VB is up directly, clear. MB, see here, if I stand here, UDL will try to rotate in, see this time you should put your finger at fixed end. You should check the rotational effect at the support fixed end, not left and right end, B. UDL will try to rotate in anti-clockwise direction. But this is in clockwise direction. So it depends which is predominant. So do one thing, systematic solution, we will not bother too much. Here see, only 2 loads. If too many loads are there, you can't waste time. You assume something. Usually for such cantilevers, you assume MB like this. Okay. Assume MB clockwise. Start. Sigma M about B0. Why B? I will not tell. I told so many times earlier why you are taking moment about B. If not clear, go back to my first engineering mechanics class. Start once again from there. Okay. Start. Actually, not engineering mechanics class, cantilever cases. Okay. Start. Take moment about B. Plus 20, no into, minus 8 into 4 is the total load into 4 by 2. I won't waste time now telling that the total load is acting here. That all, if it is not clear for you, you are wasting your time attending my classes. Equal to 0, then not over, both sides you have to see plus MB. Why plus? Because you assumed clockwise. MB equal to 0. Solve 20 minus 64 is minus 44 plus MB 0. MB will come plus 44. Sigma V0, if I explain more, it is waste of time. You only do it. VB minus 8 into 4, 0. VB came. Class, sign. Same thing. We assumed upward direction for VB. We got positive. Therefore, correct. VB is up 32. We considered MB in clockwise direction. Answer came positive. Means what direction you considered is correct. Enter in the same direction. Over. This is the reaction. Now, option 2. Shortcut or direct. See here. First VB. Sorry, no time waste. Net load is down. 8 into 4 down. 32 down. Directly 32 up. If this is not clear, no point in studying structural engineering. Now, Now action for moment. Remember, finger should be here. B. Again, see, sometimes I repeatedly tell the reason because we want to know the net action about the fixed end. So finger should be here. See here. Net moment about B equal to, see, what I'll take UDL. 8 into 4 into 4 by 2 is anti-clockwise. That is 64 anti-clockwise and a couple of 20 clockwise. 64 anti-clockwise, 20 clockwise means net is 44 anti-clockwise is action. Action is 44 anti-clockwise. Unit I am not telling. So MB is 44 clockwise. Over. Enter here. Now write the unit. MB equal to 44 kilonewton meter. Hope it is within camera. I will just check it. Sometime what happens is I write there. Afterwards when I observe, it goes out of camera. No problem. Correctly, perfectly okay. Now, this question over. I will, in a single stretch, I will do it now. Second question. Question 4B. 64. Okay. Same thing once again. Traditional solution. Sigma m about B0. Not 20 plus 64 minus 8 into 4 into 4 by 2 plus MB0. Your MB will come 0. Reason I will tell you there. Sigma V0, same thing will come. Sign already told. Therefore, this time, see, that's all. You don't write MB. That's all you write. Or if you are that much interested, you write a moment here. MB. Actually, somebody will laugh. 0. Okay, happy. Option 2, shortcut. Any correction? See, I changed 64, forgot here. If such a thing happens, you don't make issue. You change it. 64. See here, I have to change it. 64. Okay, now. See, in the option 2, we don't write anything. First, you show the beam. Okay, start. VB. Only vertical loading. 8 into 4, 32 down. So, reaction is 32 up. Thousands of time told. 32 kilonewton. Then, net moment about a action. 8 into 4 into 4 by 2, 64 anti-clockwise, and also a couple of 64 clockwise. Oh, this UDL will try to rotate by a couple of 64 in anti-clockwise. This couple is 64 clockwise. Those two will balance each other. There is no rotational effect, or you can tell no action. No action as far as reacting moment is considered. When there is no action, therefore no reaction. No reaction means no MB. Or you can write MB equal to 0. If you are that much eager, MB equal to 0. Over. Any corrections I require? Somebody will try to find out mistakes. He has not changed the load. Okay, everything changed, I think. Okay, now lastly, question 4C. 80 kilonewton meter. 80 kilonewton meter. Okay, same way. Actually, now this MB will come in anti-clockwise. Or imagine you have no time to think of all those things. That you think here. Okay, assume clockwise, traditionally. So it is plus 80 minus 8 into 4 into 4 by 2 plus MB0. Your MB will come 8 into 4 into 4 by 2 is minus 64. 80 minus 64 is plus 16. Plus 16 plus MB0. MB will come minus 16 kilonewton meter. Sigma V0, same thing. Okay. Right now, class, sign. We took VB upward. Answer came plus. So correct, VB is upward. See, 64 change 80. See, I will change now only. Otherwise later I will forget. 80. Okay, now over. Over. Then 80 over 64. Now next, we considered MB in clockwise direction. See here, you should write all these things here. Clockwise direction, but answer came negative. That means this assumed direction is wrong. The actual reacting moment MB is not clockwise, it is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise MB equal to how much? 16 kilonewton meter. That is the meaning of that one. Just checking camera to be safer side, because later in YouTube you cannot correct it. Okay. Maybe correction possible, but I don't know such advanced technology all. I have to learn it still. I know only advanced structures. Okay, now option 2, shortcut. See there. VB, sorry, 8 into 4, 32 down, reaction 32 up, you write. Okay, now MB, action, about B you have to take 8 into 4 by 2, anti-clockwise 64 and clockwise of 80. No distance, remember, 80 is clockwise. So, therefore, right here, once you write these two, you write here, therefore, net action, I will call it net action regarding moment about B is 64 anti-clockwise, 80 clockwise means it is 16 clockwise is net action. If net action is 16 clockwise, then the reaction MB equal to 16 anti-clockwise. So here anti-clockwise of 16 kilonewton meter. See, reverse came. This is over. Any corrections required? 80, 80, 16, 32, 80, 80. Yes, I think okay. If still some numbers have forgot to change, I explained thoroughly. You work out everything right and do it. See, it is impossible for human being. Especially when I write, I use the previous writing and change the numbers. Sometimes something is forgotten. Okay, in such cases, you change it. In the description, write something. Always do one thing. When something happens like that, see the description and comment I won't write. Sometime I will write in the comment also. I will paste and I will copy and paste it. So in the description and comment, I will write there. This is the, I will not write, it's a mistake. I won't tell sorry for that one. I will tell a correction. Correction, remember, in my class, correction is only print mistake. I told only print mistake, not technical mistake. Okay, everything clear? Go through. Now, master question 4 over. Next time onwards, question number 1 will start. I will put heading, calculation of reactions for cantilever in correct order, in a systematic order, point load, UDL, UVL, then combination will be there, couples will be there, everything systematically. Even UVL represented by trapezium also will be there. All like simply support beam, everything. Then everything, every simply support and cantilever together, I may mix that one and start solving. I told you, still around 100 questions may come in the class. It is all for you to study. Every question, study it. Don't think that what we know everything. Never have that feeling. Okay, thank you. Next class, I'll continue.